Lost your Mint Mobile password and feeling stranded? Don't worry. Regaining access is quick and easy. First, head over to mintmobile.com on your computer or open the Mint Mobile app on your phone. You'll see the login area. Look for the Forgot Password link, usually located right below the password field. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Mint Mobile account. This is crucial. Make sure it's the exact email you used when you signed up. Type in your email address carefully and then click the Submit or Reset Password button. Now check your email inbox. Keep an eye out for an email from Mint Mobile with the subject line about resetting your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and you'll find a link to reset your password. Click on that link. This link is unique to you, so don't share it. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password, something with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter it into the new password field and then confirm it in the Confirm Password field. Once you've confirmed your new password, click the Submit or Save button and that's it. Your password has been successfully reset. You can now log into your Mint Mobile account with your new password and manage your wireless service without any hassle. Stay secure out there.